Oh guys, what a tiring day. It's been crazy, but I have done everything on the list that I need to do here in Malaysia. I'm ready to leave tomorrow to Singapore. But in the meantime, check this out. These are normal people. That's the tower, and these are like the million steps. And I believe they end up all the way up on the top there. Another easy stroll. We got this. We got some Malaysian money, and we have their vitamin drink. Time to get it. We have their vitamin drink. Time to get it.
Oh my god.
Oh, if you buy a banana,
trade it.
you might trade it.
Trade it for the sunscreen.
Can we trade?
Be a nice monkey and trade. The monkey stole our sunscreen.
Give me a banana, baby, hurry.
I don't have a banana.
Go get one, my love.
No, this is too fun. It's all gonna be... It's too late. There was like nothing in there anyway. Don't eat the sunblock, you weirdo. Weird.
Waiting for a trade, baby. I'm literally telling you to go get a banana.
Oh, I got some food. Oh, I got something. Aw, look how cute it is. There were so many monkeys. They all wanted bananas. It was so much fun.
Move, baby.
Okay, where are we going?
This way. Away from the monkey.
The big one. We're attracting the
More.
pigeons.
Let me see.
We're attracting the monkeys and the pigeons. Oh, you already have some. Look at you.
Oh, careful, careful. Move away.
You already have some. Look at you. You have. All of you have. All of you are probably so full. You're teaching them. You're teaching them tricks.
It's gonna be like Nora when we were in Japan and the deer were bowing. It's the same thing.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was fun. It was fun feeding them. Oh, hi. There you are. Okay, I've got a few more in there.
Damn. Look at that sucker. Oh, let's go. See how it looks, you guys.
Hey, geschafft! Look how cute the stairs are. They're rainbow color. Everything's so pretty.
Oh my god. It is covered. Look at that. Wow. How cute.
They're really, really trying to use the wrong.
Right on the right of you, sir.
No, he's good.
Oh,
Watch out on the right of you.
right. Come on, baby, get in the middle for me, yeah? Thank you.
She's behind me. I see her.
The big,
You can see the butt. Yeah? Oh my god. So many stairs, and we already climbed so many stairs today. How many stairs would you guess were at the other thing? Like 500? We climbed a giant temple thing, 1,000 steps, or it felt like it. Thighs are on fire, and now we're climbing some more steps. Yay! But there's monkeys, so excuse me if I pass out. Monkeys.
Quite honestly,
아니 여기서 저거 나오게 저기 나오게. 당신이 빨리 오세요.
Wow, it's so cool in here. I love this.
all right, let's go. Oh, you know what, baby?